Hi friends! Today we're going to slow things down and do a peaceful little bedroom reset together. If your space has been feeling a bit cluttered or off lately, this is your time to take a deep breath and refresh it with me. I had just washed this bedding, but it always seems sheets wrinkle so quickly and easily. Sometimes I like to use our handheld steamer to quickly smooth them out. It doesn't take long at all, but it just makes such a difference. This is actually our guest bedroom, and since we were having visitors coming to stay, I wanted to try military corners on the sheets to make it extra tidy. This took me so much longer than I anticipated to figure out though. I am definitely going to need more practice. One of my favorite cleaning tips my mom ever taught me was an easy way to put pillowcases on. If you turn your pillowcases inside out and align the corners of the pillowcases with your pillows, it's easy just to flip the pillowcase right side out over top of the pillow, and that way you don't have to struggle to jam the pillow into the case. It makes it super quick and super easy. Now we'll get dusting. I generally try to remove all items from the surface while I'm dusting. That way I can make sure it gets really clean. And don't worry, I promise I'll lift that layup up too. I love adding fresh flowers to a space also. It's such an easy way to brighten it up and add some color. We got these at our local farmer's market, but I feel like Trader Joe's has the best selection of flowers for an inexpensive cost. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this video gave you a little motivation, or at least a peaceful moment to reset and unwind. Whether you cleaned along with me or just watched to relax, I'm really glad you were here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you'd like to see more cozy clean with me or reset routines, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next one. And remember, progress over perfection. A few small steps can make your space feel lighter, calmer, and more like you. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.